Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create a Active Directory in Azure. So go to portal.azure.com and here's the home page. I'm already logged in. So this is my default directory here and this is the menu. You can see the different type of services here. So to create an Azure Active Directory, you have to come here and click on this. See, the default directory is already there, so you can see the users, you can see the groups here. So I can add users here, I can add groups here to this default directory. But like in this demo we will see the different we will create a different directory and we will work on that. Click on this create directory, click next. Demo app, and initial domain name will be demo app. Let us see if this is available. This is not available, so I will add 1 to it and check again. Oh, this is also not available, so I will add 3 1. Yeah, this is available. Country United States, and click on next here. Click on create. You can see the organization name is demo app and initial domain name is demo app 31. Country is United States. Okay, so it is actually creating an Active Directory. You can see the progress here. It is, this loading button shows it is running. It may take almost 1 to 2 minutes depending upon the like data center. Here data center we have selected United States, so depending on that it may take time, so we have to wait. Once it is completed, it will show the message directory created successfully. Yeah, you can see the message directory created. So now we can click on here and go to directory, and we can click on here as well. Now to go to our directory we can do two things. Like first we will refresh this page and come here, because sometimes like why we need to refresh is sometimes it doesn't come like without refreshing. Click on this switch directory, and inside this all directories you will see your directory listed here. Or the other way is like you can click on this switch directory, and I will click on this and it will show me the same dialog again. So I will click on this directory demo app which we created just now. See, demo app is here. So the next task is like we will we can create users here, we can create groups here. Just like that in default directory we can create users, we can create groups. But the next task will be like we will register an app here. Click on new registration. User facing name will be demo app, and supported account types. Like we have three options, we have to choose one. So the first option is accounts in this organizational directory only, and second is accounts in any organizational directory only directory. So what's the difference between these three is the first one is saying like if we selecting first one, we can use the accounts in this directory only. But if we choose the second one, we can use accounts in this directory and in the other directory. Like we have other directory, default directory as well, so we can use that directory as well, like accounts in that directory as well. So that's the difference here. So redirect URL, this is already chosen as web. uh, we need to keep it web, and here we need to give our URL. Like we will use this directory for authentication in our application, so we need to give the URL of our application here, sign in URL. So I have one local application. This is its login screen. So I will copy the URL from here, and I will, this is the sign in URL. And what else I need to add here is sign in. uh, we need to append, like we need to postfix it with sign in OIDC. Click on the register here. Okay, so this is the application ID, which we will copy to notepad, and we'll use it later. And this directory ID here. And coming to this side, we have redirect URL here. You can see the URL which we added earlier, like it is listed here. We can add one more URL. We can add many URLs, because this Active Directory can be used for authentication purpose for many websites. So we can use as many URLs as we want here. Here what we need to do, we need to enable this. We need to click on this ID tokens. Yeah. One more thing, like if we want to use this application for role-based authentication, so what we need to do, we need to go here in manifest file. In this manifest file, we need to come here, like there will be this group membership claims. So what we need to do, just change it to security group. We click on save. Okay, so just refresh it. Okay, this is our demo app. So here we can add users. This is the default user which is already there, like my account by which I am signing into Azure. Click on new user, and I will username will be user1, and name will be Sharif. But we can choose the auto generated password, or we can create password by ourselves here. These are the settings like which we need to do. So let us go for auto generated only. Click on create. This is the user we just created. Block sign in. If we want to block some user, we can do it here. Like it will be just like it is not available in Active Directory if you block it here. And the next thing will be like creating groups. Group name will be administrators. It is up to you like what name you want to choose. We can add user here for this group and click on. We can add as many users as we want. We can select it admin and we can type the name of user here and we can add the user. Click on create. So we can see here like we have one group administrators and we have added one member to it. So this is all about Azure Active Directory. The thing is like first we need to create an Active Directory, then we need to register an app, and then we need to change some settings and then add users and groups. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.